Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this waste wire. Let's create a beautiful craft using it. Measure it like this. Now we are going to remove it like this. Now bend it. We are going to make a bicycle using it. We are making the tire of the bicycle like this, and then we are going to make its handle, its seat like this. Bend it like we are doing here. After that we are going to make another tire by rolling it, and look, it is ready. After that you can also bend it like this. Now we are making the seat of the bicycle like this, and look, it is almost ready. Now let's make its handle. Now look how we are folding it like this and give it shape like we are doing here. After that we are going to remove all the wires and bend it like this, and look, your bicycle is ready. You can make more such craft using this. We are going to make a craft using these waste wires, so cut a piece like this. After that we are going to remove it like this and remove the wire, and look, you will get a shape like this. After that we are going to bend it like this, and look, it is almost ready. We are making a keychain here. We are giving it shape like this, and look, it is something looking like this. We are making a face and a doll like shape, and then fold it like this. We are making the hands of the doll like this, and look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to give it shape, and look, your keychain is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.